Hey everyone, again it's Meditoidi, and today I'm going to show you how to spot potential and confirmed crypto airdrop projects. So let's go for this. So I'm using some websites for finding new and potential crypto projects. But first I want to show you a website called cryptorank.io. So we open Chrome and then we search for this URL cryptorank.io/drop hunting. So a page like this will come, and then here we have many potential airdrops shown as a list here with many filtrations like task type, update status, reward type, raise funds, and the point of the score on X or Twitter platform. So I really use this website, and I have used a lot, and I got many airdrops just by this way. We have many projects here to which one to choose. There's the filters here. We can choose on filters. Then we come down and there's a section latest status updates. We hit on this and then we click it like to be 7 days. It shows me only the projects for the last week. Okay, here I can find many things about the projects. Well, the first column called name, it has the name of the project. Another one, task type, means that what type the task of this project is. For example, following a Twitter and joining on a Discord, that how long will it take to be finished, to be completed. It takes me 16 minutes to finish the task of the project. And also we have a type testnet here, and we have a cost. For example, the cost of doing this task is $0. It takes nothing for doing the task. Okay, so also we have another column here, updated status. Updated status has some types, confirmed, potential, and also rewards available. And also here reward type. The reward type is important because we can find that what exactly the project is going to give away. For example, the project OpenNet has airdrop type. It means that it will give free tokens to users. But here OpenSea has the reward types of points. It means that OpenSea will not give any airdrops maybe right now, but it gives you some points, and when you grow your point, then after a while maybe OpenSea will give you some airdrops. Okay, and it's confirmed for these points. Okay, so let's see another one. For example, this is Drake, I think. Yeah, Drake project has the reward type of role. What does it mean, role? For example, when a project starts to begin, it will at first give the users some role, like for example an OG role. OG role means that the user is from the first users community, and it's really important for a project because the project will give you some rewards just because of having some roles later. So we gotta collect many roles of any project. Yeah, mostly we can find and collect your roles on the project's Discord by chatting with another users community, by doing some tasks in Discord, by maybe sharing a post on Twitter, then sharing the link of the tweet on Discord. And yeah, another reward type that we have is whitelist. So what is a whitelist? A project when starts to begin, at first it says that I'm gonna choose some users to work on my project first, to show me the bugs, to test my network, or maybe to buy or mint an NFT. But I'm gonna choose just a little number of users. I don't want all the people to be able to come to my project, so The reward type is whitelist. For example, the project says that if you retweet or like or comment on my tweet, then I will give you a whitelist NFT or a whitelist role. Then you will be whitelisted and you can do some stuff in the project. So that was all of the types that a project can have. So airdrop type, points type, role type, and whitelist type. Another column here we have raise and funds. Okay, this is an important section for a project to choose. Why? Because we need money for doing the project, yeah? So because of that, we should notice on the funds that the project has been raised. For example, if we look at Plum Network, it says that it has raised about $30 million. Okay, $30 million is just for an airdrop for the project. So the project will give away $30 million to users. So that's really important and that's really worth to do. Okay, so I will just do this project. I'm gonna save this. Okay, another project, for example, like the Momentum, it has about $10 million. Reward type is airdrop and the status is potential. Maybe it has some airdrops later in the future, but not confirmed right now. Oh, look at this. It's about $425 million in points and confirmed for OpenSea. OpenSea is a platform for minting, for buying NFTs. I will create a tutorial later for NFTs. Zero G Labs has about $325 million airdrop potential, and it cost me about $20, and it takes about 32 minutes to doing the task. Okay, so if you look at the tasks, we will see that Zero G has launched a campaign on Galaxy, Starboard, tweet with mention of the project, and earn aura, which may be rewarded in the future. May be rewarded, so it's potential, as you see. Okay, so the roles are really simple. One is, for example, tweet with mention 0G, track your progress on Galaxy. Okay, so tweet is Twitter, you know yourself, and also Galaxy is a platform that I will teach you later. Okay, so it has many other tasks. Okay, and it's open and it says that it's available from 28 May. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose on this project that has about $3 million and the status is confirmed. It cost me $10, but I don't want to spend any money for airdrops. Okay, so I'm gonna choose another one, like maybe Pluralis Research. Yeah, so this project is being confirmed. The status is confirmed. It says that I will give it a drop later, and also the reward type is whitelist for now, and it has about $7.60 million in funds. So it takes me 6 minutes to done, and the task type is just fill the form. Well, it's a form and we gotta just fill it. Okay, let's go for doing the task. I will click on Pluralis, and then here it has some details about the project, like its website, and also it has an X account. Okay, we can see its account here, Pluralis Research. It has a yellow check mark here, and I think it's important for a project, and it has about 6,000 followers. It's not really too much, and yeah, you can read about this project here. So I'm gonna follow first. I'm gonna click on this notify to turn on my notifications, and every time the project will update, I will know about this. Okay, so let's go for the tasks. Well, Polaris Genesis Run Forum. Polaris has announced the launch of its first activity we can participate in by filling out a form. Please note that you will need a pretty powerful PC to participate in this testnet. Okay, so we need a powerful PC to participate in this testnet. maybe it's a joke, or maybe it's using GPU. It's like mining, I think. So I'm gonna just follow the link and fill in the form, because it's currently a whitelist and cost me nothing. Well, email record method, record it. Okay, so here compute type GPU, here means the physical advice, so an AWS P4 would be 8 GPU. Well, I have MacBook here, and also device RAM is about below 16, and device location is in Asia. And also motivation to contribute, well, because tech is interesting. Maybe I'm mostly involved in AI, not technical word, crypto, technical. Okay, so my name is Mehdi, and I will add my Twitter. Okay, so it's optional. I'm not gonna fill this here. So if you just filled all the requirements and then we click on submit, that's it, and your response has been recorded. It's the first task that we have done for a project. The project name was Pluralist. So because I don't want to miss the project, because I have filled the form, I'm gonna just save it in my Air3. Okay, so here I have bookmarked many projects that I'm currently working on this project. Okay, so every time that you do a task, you just save the projects to remember later in the future, because you will be doing on many project networks and you will forget about this project, that which one you have been participating in. Okay, so that's it. I think we have done a project, we have done a task. Okay, that's it. In the next video I will show you how to bridge, how to swap, and how to get some testnet tokens to participating in some testnet networks. And also I will show you how to create a Web3 passport for getting that faucets or testnet tokens. Also, if you enjoyed my tutorial, please subscribe to my channel so not to miss other tutorials. And I'll be happy if you like and drop a comment below. If you had any questions, I will answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you later.